You've got Cash App. You're sending and receiving money like a champ, but you're thinking, hold up, can I actually link my bank account to this thing? Well, guess what? You absolutely can. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Let's talk about why you might want to link your bank account to Cash App. First off, it's like having a supercharged money management tool. You can easily transfer funds between your bank and Cash App, check your balance on the go, and even set up direct deposits. Plus, it opens up a world of possibilities, like using Cash App for peer-to-peer payments, buying and selling stocks, and even investing in Bitcoin. But, I know what you're thinking. Sounds great, but how do I actually do it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, open your Cash App. This might seem obvious, but you gotta start somewhere, right? Open up your Cash App on your phone. Step 2, navigate to your profile. Look for that little profile icon, usually at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3, find the Link Banks option. Once you're in your profile, you should see an option called Link Banks or something similar. Tap on that. Step 4, link your bank. There will be a button to link bank. Tap it and you'll be presented with a few options. You can usually search for your bank directly. If you can't find it, don't panic. Most apps allow you to manually enter your bank account information. Step 5, verify your account. Cash App might ask you to verify your account. This is a security measure to protect your funds. You might be asked to confirm your identity or provide additional information. Step 6, confirm the link. Once you've gone through the verification process, you'll be asked to confirm linking your bank account. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. And there you have it. Your bank account is now linked to your Cash App. You can now transfer funds, check your balance, and enjoy all the other perks that come with having a linked bank account. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about some common questions and troubleshooting tips. What if I'm having trouble linking my bank account? Don't stress. Sometimes there can be temporary issues. Try these steps. Double-check your account information. Make sure you're using the correct account type, checking or savings. Try linking a different bank account if you have one. Contact Cash App support for assistance. Is it safe to link my bank account to Cash App? Cash App takes security seriously. They use encryption to protect your information. However, it's always a good idea to be cautious and monitor your accounts regularly. Can I link multiple bank accounts to Cash App? Yes, you can link multiple bank accounts to your Cash App. This can be useful for managing different funds or for added convenience. Now, let's talk about some tips to maximize your Cash App experience with a linked bank account. Set up automatic transfers for savings goals. You can schedule regular transfers from your bank account to your Cash App to save for specific goals. Use cash boosts for rewards. Take advantage of cash boosts to earn rewards on your purchases. Explore Cash App investing. If you're interested in investing, Cash App offers options to buy and sell stocks and Bitcoin. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, linking your bank account to Cash App can be a game changer for your financial life.